What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the team randoms for Group Break 182, case number 4 of Pristine. Stuff's been fire, obviously. I made it. 643. That's not 643. Well, that froze. Let me... At least you guys can see all this. Just turned 644. All right. So we got all the names and all the teams. We're going to go 3 times on each list. 1, 2, and 3. Got Grant, top 3. Fowler, you're on the bottom. And for the teams, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Rangers on top, LA on the bottom. All right. I will scroll through the teams. All right. There you guys have it. I will do one last timestamp. Done at 6:45. 6:45.